Hey guys, today I have a Kenmore HE washer and we've got it going normal, regular cycle. And over here we've actually got it on the deep fill option, which is great that we have this manual water switch now because we get full submersion on those clothes. Center agitator, so you know the clothes are getting nice and clean. Now typically you wouldn't be able to lift this up, but I just bought an extra one of these online so I can stick it down in there and the machine thinks the lid's closed. So it's going to town and we can kind of watch what's going on here. And the purpose of that is so you can see as if you were standing here yourself checking it out. You get to see that everything on it is working perfect. And that way you know when you get it home, plug it in, you're good to go. I always do a video of everything that I list up for sale. That way everybody's on the same page. And so we're gonna let it move through this wash cycle. Come back and show you that it's draining the water out like it's supposed to, and that it has a nice, fast, smooth final spin cycle. And if we pair this up with the dryer, I'll show the dryer off next. Otherwise, we'll be good to go. All right, now we're switching out of the wash cycle. Draining that water out. See it draining nice and fast. You can hear it draining nice and fast right there. And what it's going to do next is it's going to spin out this soapy water and it will fill back up with fresh water for the rinse cycle. And now we're at the point in the rinse cycle where it has filled all the way back up with water. Keeps adding a little bit more water here and there, but I think it's done. Full submersion on those clothes. It's getting started agitating them in that fresh water. And so the very next step will be the draining and the spin. See, adding a little bit more water even. All that's automatic, but we do have it on the deep fill option there. All right, guys, final spin cycle. It looks like those LEDs are flashing, but they're not. It always does that in all the videos. Anyway, you can see, sounds great. Nice smooth operation. Lift this up. See, it's spinning super fast. Doing an awesome job getting that water extracted. Once again, at home, you're not gonna be able to lift this up. This will be locked in place. But there you go. All right, so now we have the washer cleaned out. We did decide to go ahead and pair this up with an electric dryer. Now, this is a Whirlpool. This one is Kenmore. However, towards the very end, last couple of years of Kenmore being around, everything was made by Whirlpool. So this is actually a made by Whirlpool machine. Just a little tidbit of information there. Anyway, this electric dryer, we've got it running. It's been running. It's almost got those towels dried up. Got it on high heat, time dry. So it's been going for a little while now. Everything should be just about dry. You've got a cycle signal switch. And of course you want to make sure this is clean in between loads. So you have good airflow. Now I'm going to show you that it is heating like it's supposed to. So right in between those two red dots, we're taking a surface temperature measurement. Colder on the ground there, about 61 on the ground, about 72 on the top. So we'll open this up. You see everything spinning, just about dry. Inside this tube here, it's gonna be very hot, but what it's gonna do is essentially heat the inside of your dryer up anywhere from 95 all the way up to 195, just depends on how long it's been rocking and rolling and what you have the heat setting at too. So push those back in there, close that up, push to start. And once you get your vent hose hooked up on the back for the ventilation, it makes the dryer just about silent. So now you know, both work perfect. We'll go ahead and get them listed up for sale. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. All the details are gonna be in the listing description. And I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks, you guys have a great day.